The next time, let's listen to the theme sharing by Mr. Ki Young, founder and technical director of Tuold Robotics. Zero code programming and upgrade design of composite robots. Everyone applaud and welcome.
Dear colleagues and friends present, good afternoon, everyone. In today's era of rapid technological development, you've all heard the saying that the future has arrived. It's just that he doesn't have it yet. I'm happy to say the future is not just coming, and it's also a tool that we can easily manipulate in our hands. Today, we're not just going to talk about receipts. I have to tell you two orders, make it vertical and efficient, and a strong sense of engagement. Now, I know you might be a little skeptical when you hear the word simplify. Does the simplification cut out the function? The answer, of course, is no. What we're going to talk about today is not making compound robots stupid. It's about making compound robots as simple and fun as toys in the simplest and smartest way possible. Zero code generation. It sounds like a science fiction term. Don't worry. And this is not science fiction, because VR robots have basically achieved zero code generation. Composite robotic systems are also moving in this direction. A composite robot is not just a combination of multiple robots and multiple parts. Rather, it is about achieving complex tasks through simple and intuitive programming. For the next 15 minutes, I'm going to take you into this seemingly complex but actually very simple future. Let's simplify VV together. Boost efficiency. Let's see how visual programming and modular design can break this traditional paradigm. Let's make robots more than just toys for engineers. And it's an assistant that everyone can easily handle. Next, I'll introduce you one by one from these 26 points. Well, of course, because today's sharing time is limited. It can affect you. The speed of speech may be faster. Okay, first, introduce 2.0 technology. 2.0 technology was established in 2009. It is the earliest agent in China to cooperate with UR robots. In 2014, we were fortunate to become a distributor of UR robots. In 2015, we joined the ecosystem of UR, and in 2017, it became a distributor and agent of the No One robot. In the same year, we were also awarded the leading enterprise in intelligent manufacturing in Suzhou Park. In 2019, we joined the ecosystem of UR Juras after more than 10 years of this precipitation. Today, our fork robot has entered the development stage of the second generation of hardware and the third generation of software. It can be said that every iteration of how technology is full of innovation and breakthroughs. Well, these are some of our clients. 15 years of hard work. Howard Technology has not only accumulated more than 100 long-term cooperative customers, it has also deeply cultivated a number of industry fields, including semiconductors, automotive parts, 3C medical, appliances, bathrooms, high-end food, optics, CNC sensors, including the nuclear industry. We also provide a large number of industrial collaboration and teaching equipment to renowned universities. After years of precipitation, we not only have a strong technical accumulation hardware systems, we have also achieved maturity and stability in terms of software systems. We are committed to enabling every industry and every customer to increase productivity through our robot technology. Simplified chemical workflow. Well, you can see this. This batch is actually ours. It's a standard compound robot. It is specifically designed for the semiconductor industry. Sometimes I think our product is like a novel. The plot is complex and changeable, but ultimately the answer it gives, it was a simple physical therapy manual. Our composite robots are visually programmed. modular design, even if you know nothing about programming. It will also be easy to get started. The hopper robot can be built like a box, a Lego building blocks. You just have to use your imagination. You can build your own hopper. Uh, the robot on the far left, actually, it is one of the ontologies of our fort, right? Of for robot. Everything else is based on it. Carrying different vehicles and models. Ah, users only need to splice like building blocks. It can meet different application scenarios. Well, the best part is the programming platform for the compound robot. It can be operated visually. It can also be regarded as an intuitive agent. And so that's what we've been looking for. Make complex tasks simple. The composite robot at Trinity Technology. Not only does it perform well in the semiconductor industry, it can also shine in other industries. Thanks to some of our modular design and full stack visualization tools. Well, this robot, it can be widely applied to various sound insulation applications. Well, as you can see on the P, we composite robots, whether it's on a vehicle or an end effect, you have all kinds of design resources, but the way of program and control is different. This is the charm of open. You only need to be familiar with one programming style to control a wide variety of audio and video devices. Operational costs that greatly reduce learning costs. Ah, now our complex robots and programming systems already part of the U2 Plus solution and Go Indie among the products of the bottom production module. It has also been widely used. This means that our system is not only very powerful in functionality, the compatibility is also very strong. It can operate in various states. Well, the service robot of 2.0 technology. What are your core strengths? First, we solved the programming difficulty. Users only need to be within 1.5 hours. The composite robot can be realized. U2 robot on Z02 robot vision, end effector, and centralized training. Secondly, stable positioning accuracy. We use our partners for in-depth cooperation. Well, it allows the robot to operate at any distance. The position accuracy was stabilized at plus or minus 0.5 millimeters. Once again, the standardization of crossover. Well, we went to a modular design, standardized robots, resolve the widespread situation in the market. The issue of stability. And here's the thing, our self-developed intelligent dispatching system. 70% of customer demand, it can be achieved simply through the media, this holistic application, greatly improve the work efficiency of the story. This is the topology diagram of the software and hardware of the composite robot we provide to our customers. As you can see from the system layer, business layer, hardware layer, and the control layer of the robot, we have all carried out standardized modular designs, whether it is from the production line to the management of the warehouse. Our business layer can provide a full range of this support. Through our set of lines, we help customers achieve high-speed digitalization of the audience. Well, in terms of application scenarios, in fact, we have many application scenarios. So let me talk about semi-automation. This process is actually the entire production process from yellow sand to computer products. Throughout the process, from IC design, wafer and IC fabrication, wafer testing, packaging testing, system level testing, integration to endpoint product board level testing. Composite robot transactions are all included. Let's refine the big process just now. Actually, from the process of making masks and wafers in the IC design. wafer fabrication, packaging and testing, SMTIC testing, FCT testing, assembly finished product testing. These are all possible application scenarios for composite robots. Of course, our experience is still being accumulated. Nothing like this. We didn't actually implement these stations, but it still has a great opportunity. Well, it's just a starting point. I hope this will also inspire more application innovation. And here are some of our videos showing the fog robot in the production of semiconductor integrated stoves, opening the lid of the Wasu robot's gift box, some applications in the pick and place process. In this video, in order to improve customer efficiency, we integrate the lid opening mechanism directly on the back vehicle of the sales robot, greatly improve this work in rhythm. Compound robot. These extremely high precision of displacement. You can let the MPL products be directed. Compound robot equipment placed into the machine. Well, in the encapsulation realm of Pandora, our robots use DNA, RNA, the whole process of operation. Greatly improved this safety during the entire process. Like, we are paying for go to the next link to do some pick and place. Well, products to be produced in temporarily completed products. Make some replacements, including some in the process. Some pick and place of temporary warehousing. This piece is estimated to be semiconductors form some of the Wi-Fi, some replacements for blue and green. Let's talk about it next. The core architecture of visual platform programming, in order for everyone to understand more intuitively. This technology, what we play on PPT is our entire programming process. The actual programming time is about 1.5 hours. The application scenario is to two 12-year-old JVMs, and from a cluster gets another cluster. And then throughout the process, the way we program in the second generation of U, the programming is similar with multiple commands and configurations. It's just that we program for Dior vision, and a few programming tasks for our TCP through our modular host system. This repetitive function, we can program multiple robots at once to desynchronize the program, make rapid deployment a reality. Because it's simple, so our product is easy to train users to use. So we also need to do some big data for this kind of engineer's home field scenario later. We are always committed to safe, stable, and efficient product design. Well, our direction is standardization, modularity, and ease of use. Make it easy for every customer to get started and independently optimize and improve. Well, qualified persistence. We aim to meet customer needs. Well, 1, 2, 3 sentences of both. It's actually a realistic expectation from our customers of what composite robots can do with this hardware. In the future, we will continue to promote the applicability and replicability of our product. Help more companies achieve efficient profitability. Of course, there is a mention here. The battery system of our EASE architecture in COS03 is now being tested. Okay, so that's it for today. Well, I hope you have a certain understanding of the software and hardware design of the core composite robot. Well, the goal is actually to innovate and make complex tasks simple. Let everyone enjoy efficient and intelligent colored image quality. Thank you again for your enthusiasm. May the future be simplified in your work, boost efficiency. Thank you very much.